look who it is, you guys. It's Fred. We got Fred out. I lured her with peanuts. Yes. Somebody needs another bath. But you guys said that you wanted to see it. So I'm going to Facebook Live Fred's bath time. Yeah. Who's my prettiest birdie? I love you. I'm also scared of you. But I'm trying to be your best Fred. You're my best Fred. Okay. Let's go into the bathroom. Shall we? Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yes, here we go. Okay. I'm going to put Fred down in the bathtub. Okay, let's just straighten up in here. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. Move this here shower curtain. Okay. All right. Hello. Hello, birdie birdie. Hello, birdie birdie. Can you guys still see her? Okay. All righty. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you there. Guess what I've got? Oh. Bath time for Freddy Birds. Who wants a bath? Who wants a bath? Freddy Bird. Here we go. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. What do you want? Yeah, just set it up. You can wet yourself however you want. Give it a couple extra pumpity pumps. Can everyone still see Fred? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Right. You just. Oh, someone took a giant dump. You pooped big time, Fred. You just spraying your belly down. Can I pick your duty up out of there? It's pretty gross. Here, you move away from your poop. You come this way. Bath time, bath time for Freddy Bird, Freddy Bird, Freddy Bird, bath time. Yep. Bath time. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, come here. Fred, come back over this way. Come back over this way. Here, I'll chase you this way. I'll chase you. Let's get that back. Can I get your back? Or oh yeah, that's a good pop. Do you want more? Let's do some more. Bird baths. Bird baths. We'll just do a little bit more. Okay? What do you say? What? I love you. Hi. Hey, pretty lady. Here it comes. I'm gonna sing you guys Fred's favorite song. Ready, Fred? Thank you for being a friend. Do 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 do. Travel down the road and back again. Do do do. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. Do 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 do. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Do 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 do. Is that your favorite song, Fred? That's your favorite song. Yes. Thank you for being a friend. Do 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 do. Travel down the road and back again. Do do do. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. Do 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 do. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Do 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 do. Oh, wow wow wow. Who's my favorite girlfriend? Who's the best girlfriend? You are. Yes. Have you had enough? You're still standing in the line a bit. You still liking it? Fred. Oh, hello, Fred. Hi. Hey, beautiful lady. Have you had enough? Have you had enough? You kind of have angry eyes. Angry birdie eyes. Come here. Here. I'll stop it. I'll stop the water. Enough bath time for Freddy Bird? You look very pretty. Yes, you do. Okay, now you stop. Now we'll get my bird safety glove. Whoop. Doesn't she look beautiful, you guys? Oh, that's where she's been plucking her feathers. Yeah. Nice little Freddy Bird. Hi. Hi. Hi, Freddy. Let's just fix that feather a little. Yep. She's so pretty. You're so pretty. I love you very much. I love you very much. Yeah, you're letting those, what you doing? You letting those belly feathers come back in too? I like those belly feathers. You're my favorite birdie. Yep, my sister bird, you guys. Fred has been my sister bird since I was 11, I think. That makes her 28 years old. She's a beautiful 28-year-old African gray parrot. Yep. And we're just trying to be the best of Freds. Hey, girlfriend. Hey, girlfriend. Hi. Hi, okay. Let's leave the bathroom. Oop. Let us leave the bathroom. Yeah, what should we do now? What should we do now, girlfriend? Oh, that scared me. That scared me. Here, let's just hang out for a minute. We're just gonna hang out for a minute. We're buddy buddies. We're buddy buddies. Yeah. You're my buddy buddy. Whoa. Oh, that's why I wear a glove. That means someone gets to go back to her cage also. Yes, it does. Okay, so that was mostly really good, right? That was mostly really good, Fred. Yeah. Now you're happy? Okay. Now you're happy, bird. Gonna give Fred a peanut. I am scared she'll bite me, Mindy. That's why I wear this great winter glove. This is my Fred pickup glove. Also, you can see that her eyes are a little bit bigger right now. So when her pupils are super dilated, that means that she's happy. Okay, well that doesn't really, see, it didn't mean much. But when they're small, that means that she's a little bit more scared. But I did have to bribe her out of the cage with peanuts. Okay. Oh no, I'm not particularly scared she's going to bite my face. She loves to bite my fingers. They're delicious. Look how happy and puffy she is right now though. She knows she's a beautiful lady. Okay, till next time. Say bye, Fred. Okay, later. Okay, later.